You are under arrest. Why am I being arrested? Please put your hands behind your back. Okay, I'm doing it. You have the right to remain silent. I understand. Anything you say can be used against you. I get it. You have the right to an attorney. Can I call my lawyer now? Do you understand your rights? Yes, I do. We have a warrant for your arrest. Can I see the warrant? You are being arrested for theft. I didn't steal anything. You are being charged with assault. I didn't hurt anyone. You need to come with us. Where are we going? Please step out of the vehicle. All right, I'm getting out. You are under suspicion of fraud. I didn't commit fraud. This is a serious offense. What did I do wrong? You need to remain calm. I'm calm. Do not resist arrest. I'm not resisting. We will explain everything at the station. Can't you tell me now? You are being detained. For what reason? You will be taken to the police station. Do I need a lawyer? This is the evidence against you. I want to see it. You are under arrest for trespassing. I didn't know I was trespassing. You must cooperate with us. I will cooperate. You are under arrest for drug possession. The drugs aren't mine. You are under arrest for breaking and entering. I didn't break into anything. Please follow our instructions. I will. You are under arrest for violating probation. I didn't violate my probation. You will have a court hearing. When is it? We need to read you your rights. Go ahead. You are under arrest for public intoxication. I wasn't that drunk. You are under arrest for domestic violence. I didn't hurt anyone. You will be booked and processed. What does that involve?